Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about some of the best alternative for inbox dollars. These are the sites that you can join for absolutely free and start earning money for free by doing some online activities and taking surveys. If you don't have an account on inbox dollar, I have given a link in the description of this video for the best current sign up offer, and you will also get the $5 free sign up bonus of inbox dollar. If you don't have an account, you can create it, or you can see some of the alternatives of inbox dollar that you can join. Top alternative is life points. So you will be getting 20 to 100 life points per survey, and minimum payout threshold of life point is $5, and you can withdraw the fund from PayPal money, gift cards and charity. It is available for 70 different countries including US, UK, Canada, Australia, China, Spain, Italy and others. So now another alternative is branded survey. So in case of branded survey, you'll get some surveys, daily polls, partner surveys, branded elite bonus program. It used to be, there was another name for the branded survey. Let me see if it is available here. So it is not available here, but it is founded by Branded Research Inc. Okay, and this is one of the legit site that you can join. You can read about these articles. I will tell you exactly how you can read this article also in this video. Similarly, the third alternative is Survey Junkie. In Survey Junkie, you can get $1 to $3 per sign up, per survey amount. Okay, similarly, minimum threshold amount is $10. You can withdraw the money on PayPal payment or direct bank transfer gift cards. It is available for US, Canada and Australia. Similarly, another one is Swagbox. So we don't have any information on how much payout there is for Swagbox, but I know they also have a sign up bonus. You can watch that also. I'll tell you exactly how you can read these articles. Another alternative is Toluna survey. So we don't have any information regarding Toluna survey, but it is also one of the best alternative for inbox dollar. Similarly, if you want to watch the list of these survey sites and their details, you can visit to the link that I have provided in the description of this video, or you can simply go to paidsurveyinfo.com and you can get any information about the most survey sites that are available. I'll exactly show you after this how you can see from which country which survey site could be joined. You can see this list of the survey sites that are available and the minor details by visiting to paidsurveyinfo.com. If you visit to paidsurveyinfo.com, you'll see this kind of interface. Okay, you can simply click on here and join inbox dollar, or you can see the 35 different paid survey site according to the country list. So as you can see here, which countries are available for Swagbox, inbox dollar. If I'll pull it down, web perspectives, okay, you can see these details at here. Okay, so you can simply visit to paidsurveyinfo.com and click on here. If you are from United States, you can scroll down below and click on here. If you are from Canada, you can click on here. If you are from UK, you can click on here. Okay, if you are from anywhere on other country, you can simply click on 35 best paid survey site. Okay, and you can see the articles and understand about the survey site. But still, inbox dollar is one of the popular survey site that you can join and start earning for absolutely free. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this provided a little bit information for you regarding paid surveys and earning money for free. Please do subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions, don't forget to comment in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Take care, have a great life ahead. Bye bye.